Alright, what's going on, guys? It has been a very busy week. As far as YouTube and Twitch, haven't done much on that. Been focusing on the housework, getting things done for the house, and we big project we got taken care of. We pressure washed the house. We wanted to get a nice, give it a nice once over, and this is the first time we pressure washed anything, and it was a real. Um, it was interesting. It definitely didn't go as smoothly as planned or thought out. We got we got it done. It took the whole day, but the house looks really nice now. It looks very inviting, very warm. But my God, it took all day. My arms are kind of dead. My wife's arms, she's sore. She did a lot of the pressure washing, and yeah, she muscled through it all. I did a lot of the well, I pressure washed a bit, and then I did plucking and pulling weeds and stuff like that out of the driveway and out of the sidewalk and stuff like that. And it took all day, but it looks really nice now. We're happy with the results of that. We're really focusing on getting moving on this house because when we can do that and get done, I would definitely be ramping up um, my content uh, for YouTube and for Twitch. So really, the sooner we can get that done and out of the way, I've got a lot of stuff ready to go and planned out for YouTube and for Twitch. But really, the focus priority is getting this house sold. So you guys um, stay tuned for updates and stuff like that. Twitter, I'll be posting stuff on Twitter and stuff like that. Discord, my social media, all of that stuff. Just you can find new info on there. But happy Mother's Day to everybody. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there, my sisters, all of you amazing mothers out there, my wife, um, everybody. You know, it's Mother's Day. We wouldn't be here without our mothers. So happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. It's a nice day out, and it's warm. It's getting warm, but it's nice. And I hope everybody's enjoying their day, having a great Mother's Day. And yeah, I mean, stay tuned. I know it's not. I haven't been putting a lot of stuff up, just these vlogs, and I've been thinking of doing some informational vlogs and just adding that into this as well, um, instead of just these updates and stuff like that. So I might do that, and it might come throughout the week, not just Sundays. But yeah, thanks for hanging with me, guys, and we'll get back to our regularly scheduled program as soon as we can get this house sold and taken care of. So thanks, guys. I'll catch you next time, and hopefully I'll have some food-related stuff to be sharing with you in the next vlog, which I'm gonna try to do as soon as I can. That's the best I can give you guys right now. But you guys have a great day. Have a great Mother's Day, everyone. See you next time, and remember, kitchen confidence starts with you.